Sound check, sound check. Let us see if OBS is going to work. Let us see. Come on, OBS. There you go. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Today we are going to learn about advanced news trading strategy. Never forget, you are in a professional Forex trading course 101. Also, never forget that trading is a learnable skill. When you learn in the correct way, you should be a millionaire trader in 3 years on average in an institutional way, and you are going to graduate when you have your chart set up and ready for trading, you have your strategy in place, and you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can make an educated prediction. Disclaimer: this stream, especially in the advanced news trading strategy, this stream is not trading advice, everybody. But if your way is not working, why don't you try mine? And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail and you have Skype too. That being said, let's get to it, everybody. Alright, so yesterday we've learned the straddle. And this straddle works with buy stop order and sell stop order. Alright? Yesterday we learned the straddle, what's the time, how to... Did anybody straddle GBP news this morning? I mean, it was my morning, maybe it was your evening or your night, whatever. Did anybody straddle? The straddle, when the entry of one is the stop loss of the other. Okay. Now the advanced news trading strategy, in my opinion, it's better because it uses the Fibonacci. Okay. Now some of you are going to suffer today because, of course, there is no right or wrong, but some of you are going to suffer in the sense of, oh, I don't like the Fibonacci. Oh, can I trade without the Fibonacci? And as I always said, yes, you can. You can trade without the Fibonacci. You know, it's Fibonacci is just one tool. So this was the straddle from yesterday. And the advanced news trading strategy uses the Fibonacci in terms of retracement. So the execution of the trade is the same, everybody. The question is, how would you trade if consolidation before the news appears in here? Left click, and let's make it like this one. There you go. How would you trade the news if it appears maybe down in here? Just an example, you know, the consolidation on the 2-hour chart, right? How would you trade the news if it's down in here, the consolidation on the 2-hour chart? How would you trade if it's up in here, the consolidation on the 2-hour chart? Yesterday we've learned this. And nonetheless, how would you trade if the news event it's up in here? I mean, the consolidation is up in here. So this is the consolidation on the 2-hour chart. And you are looking at the 1-hour Fibonacci or 2-hour Fibonacci or the 4-hour Fibonacci. This is not applicable to the daily Fibonacci, alright? We're going to write this down. it's nothing wrong, but the news, not even the non-farm payroll, is not going to break the daily. Okay? And again, the text that I don't like, you know, and I'm not sure why the programmers did this, you know, I'm not complaining, I just simply don't like the way they put the text, you know, and anchor and whatever. So anyways, this is applicable to the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour fibs, not daily. Left click, right click, left click, and locked. There you go, there it's locked. Pardon. Alright everybody, so we've learned the Fibonacci on purpose with the understanding that the stop loss is below the A. So this in here is going to be the A, and moving in here, that's the A, and up in here is going to be the right click, ABC, delete, that's the B, out, right click, left click, and lock. There you go. All right, so the straddle is the same. The question is, how would you straddle the market? Come on, maybe, or all right, it's blue. How would you straddle the market when the price action and consolidation, it's at the different levels on the Fibonacci? Does this make sense? There are some places, everybody, that it doesn't make sense. Okay, let's talk about the obvious one, all right? And it's down in here. That's the obvious one. All right? And I should do better, right? I could. Give me a second. I would like to delete a few things. Right, polyline. Polyline, which one? Is this the polyline one? All right, we're getting somewhere. All right. So I'm moving this down to here. This is the 2 hour straddle. Sorry. This is the consolidation on the 2 hour. All right, and we talked about yesterday, you have a sell stop order to go short, and you have a buy stop order to buy, the straddle from yesterday. Okay, now let's talk about the obvious one. If you have a consolidation down in here near the A on the Fibonacci on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, does it make sense to you to short the market with the straddle? There is no right there is no right or wrong, but if we think together, you know, look how near the A is. So would it make sense to straddle, to short the market when the news comes? What do you think? No, there is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. So here we need to learn, you know, a few things, right? Here we need to learn a few things, and one of the things is that You know, what makes the money to the Fibonacci is the appropriate use of the stop loss. Make sense? The appropriate use of the stop loss is what makes the money. There is no right or wrong. But for the Fibonacci traders, learning the concept that the deeper the retracement, the higher the chance of success, and you are at the blackjack level. That's called the blackjack level because of the risk-reward ratio. You know, if the market stops you out, so if you enter at the red, this would be the graphical representation of the risk. Alright, this is red, and you are going to risk €1, 1 Bitcoin, 1 Ferrari, whatever. Come on, I want to clone. Can I clone? Can I clone? Can I clone? Clone? Not taking me in. I want to clone. Come on. Alright, I'm going to draw, right? So you're risking 1 and you're going to get 2. You are going to get 3. And you are going to get until the red one. So it's 1 per 3.5. What would you say? Isn't this great risk-reward ratio, everybody? And somebody's saying on the other streaming platform, not YouTube, you know, boss, I would just buy, not sell. What do you think? So the advanced trading strategy, it's a combination of the straddle together with the Fibonacci. What the trader said on the other streaming platform, it makes total sense. Why would you go against the Fibonacci, right? Why would you go against the Fibonacci? Doesn't make any sense. So this would be an example, everybody, where it makes sense for you to put a buy stop order to trade the news. Don't confuse the two. You are not trading the Fibonacci. Alright? You are not trading the Fibonacci. You are trading the news. Don't confuse the two. Alright? Exactly. So if you buy, you are going to make more and more money with the Fibonacci as a consequence of the sequence. Alright? And if it goes down, if you are in a Fibonacci trade, you are going to have just one Fibonacci loser. You are not going to lose on the news trade. Does this make sense? Alright, so this was the obvious one. Not to waste time unnecessarily. Click, 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 click on the arrow. Click, click, click on the arrow. Whoops. Click on the arrow. What did they do, the programmers? I mean, look at that. It's near somewhere. Oh, maybe this one. Or do I need to find a circle? I'm clicking on the arrow. Come on. Come on, right click. This is applicable. I'm not sure why it's... Not a big deal. We are going to adequate. We are flexible, right? So the... Oh, come on. Not like this. I just drew it. Not like this. Come on, Forex. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to put an arrow here, maybe? And bring it here. Alright, I'm still bringing it here. Alright, very good. So this is the next obvious one. You know? More difficult? Fibonacci theory, yes, exactly. Fibonacci theory says when the market hits the appropriate extension, then the market is going to reverse. So look at your stop loss level. Look at your stop loss level. I need to find a way how to... Alright, got it. So you start, here you have the... Alright, got it. Now it's going to be easier. Alright. See, I'm not that ignorant. I mean, I'm ignorant, but I'm not that ignorant, you know. So if you buy and the entry of the buy is the stop loss of the other, you know, if you buy stop, look at together with the Fibonacci, look at the risk reward ratio. Got it? I got it. See, so if you buy stop order, if you straddle, you know, look at the profit that you're going to make. Boss, but the market can go up. Well, many times when the market hits the D, 7 times out of 10, when the market hits the D, is going to reverse. Make sense? This is why it's called advanced news trading strategy. We are mixing the straddle with the Fibonacci theory and Fibonacci sequence. Boss, I don't know how to do up in here. Well, there is no right or wrong. Remember, it's a straddle. The market is in the middle, so if it goes up, all right, let's say that you are using the Fibonacci, the understanding of the Fibonacci for trading. You are not going to put exactly, this is how I trade. Up in here, I'm not going to put a buy stop order, but I am going to put a sell stop order. And if the market goes up, so be it. Because the market hit the D extension anyway. Does this make sense? Does this make sense? Alright, so those two are the obvious ones. Boss, can I try both sides? Sure you can, sure. Either way, everybody, it's always good to demo trade first. Polyline, which one was the polyline? I need to, this one? Not this one, this one, there you go. Try to demo trade a few times. Now you go with the buy stop and sell stop at the D extension and backtest this, how this is going to play out. Those are valuable experiences, everybody. This is so valuable. I cannot tell you. If you are willing to trade or the news events, or if you are willing to trade simply the Fibonacci's with the news events. But me personally, up in here, now down in here too, I'm not going to sell stop, I'm just going to buy stop, and truth to be told, if I'm lucky, if we are lucky, because we cannot predict how the news is going to react to the market, or how the market is going to react to the news, alright? And up in here is the same logic. I'm just going to short the market, sell stop. I'm not going to buy because we are almost at the extension. When the market hits the extension, Fibonacci theory tends to retrace. I need to readjust my Fibonacci. And then the market's going to, after the extension, what must come? A retracement must come. Exactly. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So those are the obvious ones. Okay. What about those in the middle? And those in the middle, everybody, it depends on, again, hopefully you got the logic. Those in the middle are depends on how big is the consolidation on the 2-hour chart. Let's say that consolidation is that big at the blue level down in here. So if you buy stop, sell stop, give me a second one more time. If you buy stop, sell stop, you can see that if the market takes you in with the sell, for you to profit take the market, one more time, the market must break the A, see? So this might not be the best way to straddle, because there is a low chance, there is a low probability based on the Fibonacci theory that the market is going to break the A. Now, if consolidation is smaller, if you can go 1-to-1, 1-per-1 in consolidation, straddling this consolidation between the 3H of the Fibonacci and 23.6 Fibonacci, if the consolidation is that small, then you can go 1-for-1, shorting the market. So you can put buys like in here, you know, you can put the pending orders, buy, stop, sell, stop. But if the consolidation is that big that for you to take a profit or make a profit 1-to-1 straddling the news event, and this needs to break the A, this might not be the best way to go. Everybody give me a second, I need to take something. Be back in a minute. I got the new book, UPS arrived, thank you very much, I got the new book to read. Okay everybody, sorry about that, back to the lesson. So this is the obvious one. You might not short, you might not sell stop with the pending order because it's going to break the A. Up in here, this is the obvious one. You might not buy stops, buy stop with the pending order because you are almost at the D. And the other ones are more or less alright, right? I mean, again, it depends how big is the consolidation that we learned yesterday. It depends how big is the consolidation. So if you go 1-for-1 and it's going to break the A, this might not be a wise thing to do. Alright. Otherwise, in between going and straddle, now 1-for-1 in here, this is a no-brainer. Right? You can straddle here both sides. 1-for-1 in here too. You can straddle both sides. Alright? So today we had the GBP news, everybody. If you didn't straddle, now you can apply the advanced news trading strategy. So let's check how it happened this morning with the GBP. Euro GBP, there is no Fibonacci. GBP AUD. We had the news event with the GBP. Remember? Give it a second, give it a second. Give it a second. Alright, GBP AUD, I believe I don't have the... Okay, let's try to do this, everybody. This one. is there a Fibonacci? Wow, we have it, right? So give it a second. This is the 4 hour. So we're going to delete this, delete this, delete this one, and delete this one. And everybody, I'm going to go on the 8-hour chart just because I cannot see, right? There is too much space. So let's go here an hour. We're going to add 8 hours or 6 hours maybe. Apply, right? So let's go to 6 hours just for us to see the whole Fibonacci. Come on, Forex. Come on, Forex. There you go. There you go. All right. So the news event. See everybody, the news event was here, right? We talked about yesterday. Look how curious. If I go on the, gosh, I don't have it. So didn't we talk yesterday about the consolidation on the 2-hour chart? Yes, we did, right? Look how curious yesterday. Right? And today, before the news event, you know, isn't this curious how this market works? There is no right or wrong, but you know, say, okay, this would be the kind of the consolidation somewhere, right? And the market was in here. We go exactly in the middle of the consolidation. Hello Sam, how are you? By straddle you put a long and short at the same time. Yes, correct? Correct. See everybody? And then this was then the news event reaction, you know, it went down, 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 down. But what I want to show you today with the advanced news trading strategy, look at the Fibonacci and so those are the, I'm going to delete that, those are the confirmation Fibonacci's, confirmation Fibonacci, confirmation, they are out and delete and delete. So this would be a spot on the Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart that you could easily straddle buy stop and sell stop. Sam, I send you an email that for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm building a YouTube channel for scratch, everybody. Why? Because what the heck, I need to be transparent and honest, you know. I lost the first one. I clicked on a button and YouTube deleted my channel from the last 5 years. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm responsible. It was you can laugh at my face, not a problem. I need to redo it all from scratch, all from the very beginning, you know. So Sam, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you can, or send me an email. I'm going to send you the Forex Course 101 manual, alright? Okay everybody, so talking about this 1-for-1, this Fibonacci is here, stop loss on the A is down in here, this is GBP, AUD, you know, the straddle happened in between, it's all good. Let's go on the next one, and remember on Friday, if you want to demo trade, we have Canadian news. This was GBP AUD. Let's check GBP CAD. I have received one. Did you send the second one? Yes, I send you another one. Just send me an email, Sam, that, oh, I subscribe to your YouTube channel. Not a problem. GBP CAD 4-hour chart again. Alright, and we don't, so it's in consolidation. breaking the Fibonacci, down Fibonacci, up Fibonacci, down Fibonacci. So no Fibonacci is in here, everybody. This is out. I cannot advance new straight GBP CAD. Let's move on the next one, GBP CHF. Give it a second. GBP CHF 4-hour chart. Let's see. All right, do we have the Fibonacci? Do we have the Fibonacci? No, we don't. Anyway, we can do this right now. Just quickly, you know, we are skilled enough, not a problem. We're going to get rid of this one. So green goes to green, and this goes here. Nope, I didn't save it, so I need to save it. Save original Fibo. Save. All right, so we have the original Fibo. One more time, green goes to green, that's the high, that's the low. The only thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to make it thicker. There you go, this is the 4-hour Fibonacci. And the next one, green goes to green, high to low, if I'm not mistaken. And this went to still green, if I'm not mistaken, green. And we can double check like this. All right, so yes, it's green goes to green. And the last one was up there, 4-hour Fibonacci. There you go. And straddle, there you go. See, we're on the 4-hour chart. Now you can see even here, consolidation was on the 2-hour chart. And how nice to see. I'm not sure, Sam, were you yesterday in the lesson? Everybody, if you were in the lesson yesterday, I love this candle here. It's so rare to show to a student the whiplash. Let's go on the 15-minute 2-hour chart first. Add more. This is a rare opportunity, everybody, to see the whiplash. Apply, okay. Let's go first on the 2-hour chart. Give it a second. All right. See what happened here? This is the whiplash. And I'm going to go, even though we talked about yesterday that you are going to monitor and do on the 15-minute chart. Give it a second. You are going to enter with buy stop order, sell stop order. No, I was not at home. We talked about the whiplash when we sometimes this happens and we lose on the news event. And this is right now, see everybody? Consolidation. And you have the straddle ready 5 minutes prior to the news event. You would buy stop and you would sell stop, and the entry of one is the stop loss of the other. You're waiting for the news event, you are in. This was the news event, you are in. The market took you in with the buy order. You are happy, thinking, oh, I'm going to make money. Me too, by the way. No, I didn't trade this one. I'm trading the advanced news trading strategy with the Fibonacci's. The simple straddle would lose this time, right? Everybody appreciate this too. It's a rare opportunity to see the whiplash for you to understand how this works. So give me a second here, and blue, and there you go. So the market took you in with the buy stop order. You had a pending order here. The stop loss is down in here. this is how straddle works. The entry of one is the stop loss of the other, exactly because of the whiplash. So the market went up and up and up, hit your pending order, got you into the market, and then without further notice, this rectangle is the graphical representation of risk. If you were risking €1, 1 Bitcoin, 1%, you are after up in here, right? You are after another Bitcoin, so the profit take is up in here. So you've entered in here, the market took you in, triggered your buy order without prior notice, the market starts to reverse, and your buy order starts to become a loser, and bam, hit your stop loss of the buy. But that's not even the story. The market took you in on the sell order, and you're thinking, well, no big deal, sometimes this happens. The market is going to go down now, you know, I've been stopped out, I lost 0.5%, 1% on the buy side. Now, no big deal, I'm expecting the market to go down, so I'm going to make money with the short, with the sell. But without prior notice, the market went up again and stopped you out on the sell order. Wow. This is, everybody, if you did straddle GBP CHF and you got caught in this, if you lost, don't get angry, appreciate this. This is all experience. But I'm telling you, as a coach, as a teacher, it's a rare opportunity for me to show you the whiplash live. How the market would take you in on the long side, stopped you out. How the market would take you in on the short side and stopped you out, and continue in consolidation. Wow, right? Somebody's saying, boss, I hate news trading. Well, you don't need to news trade. It's up to you. There is no right or wrong. But news trading, it's part of the Forex course 101. At least you are learning how this market works. There is a lot of time, there's been a lot of time that I didn't see a whiplash like this one. I knew already it's happening. Oh, boss, what do you think is going to happen? Well, depending on what pattern and what you're doing. Me, personally, I'm a Fibonacci trader. It's not a secret, I'm trading the Fibonaccis. Right? So, in my humble opinion, you know, the 4-hour Fibonacci is up. So I'm expecting the market to go up, and in my even humbler opinion, the daily Fibonacci, which is this one, is up too, so I'm expecting the market to go up. Alright? Long term, I'm expecting this market to, in the short term, the market can do anything it wants. But in the long run, I'm expecting the market to come up to here and fulfill its own, the extension. There is no right or wrong. In the advanced course, in the institutional course, you are going to learn how to identify your personality. Somebody screaming at me, boss, I cannot stay that long in a trade. No worries. In the advanced institutional course, you are going to learn about your personality, and we are going to identify if you are a scalper, if you are a day trader personality, if you are a short-term swing trader personality trading on the 1-hour chart, if you are a long-term swing trader personality working on the 4-hour chart, the daily chart. If you're a news trader, we have just people who news trade. We have traders who just news trade. Yes, sir. I know it's Forex course 202, everything is going to be clear to you. Whoa, it's a written, right? MCFX boss. Forex course 202, everything is going to be clear to you. Yo. MCFX boss. It's true, you have personalities who are news trader personalities, and they are doing extremely good trading the news, and they are doing poorly with the other strategies. Don't believe YouTubers, TikTokers that are telling you everybody that, oh, you can be a day trader today, scalper tomorrow, you can be a swing trader on Sunday. Don't believe them. It's not true. Institutions know this. Institutional traders know this. Institutional trader coaches, we know this. All right? I mean, you can have fun being today a day trader and tomorrow a scalper, but this is something different. Becoming consistently profitable. Let me brag a little bit. Let me brag. Right? I don't brag a lot. Let me brag. So, becoming consistently profitable, you know, profitable, becoming consistently profitable with no losing months in between. All right, you need to learn some secrets, which are not secrets per se, but this is not taught online. You have no YouTube video to watch, you have no TikTok video or Instagram video to watch. Okay? You are going to attain consistency once you understand who you are as a personality, and your personality must be aligned with your strategy. Otherwise, hear me out. You can also challenge me, I don't care, but hear me out. Otherwise, it's impossible. Impossible to be consistently profitable if your personality is not aligned with your strategy. Listen to your father. Impossible. Oh, but I saw John yesterday. John did this one or two. Again, you can have fun. Alright, you can have fun, not a problem. You can have fun doing one thing or another. Scalp one day, you know, and be a day trader another day, and try a Fibonacci trade. You can have fun a few times. You might even win some pips and money a few times. But believe me, everybody, professional traders who are consistently profitable, they are predominantly trading 1 or 2 time frames. And those 1 or 2 time frames are in synergy with who they are, with their personality. I cannot tell you all the secrets. This is Forex Course 101, right? More about this, all the secrets are going to be revealed in the Forex Course 202. The Advanced Institutional Trader. You are going to learn the secrets, which are not secrets, but they are not taught online. Alright, everybody, let's move forward. This was the news event, Advanced News Trading Strategy about GBP CHF. Let's go on the next one. GBP JPY. I'm not sure if I have the Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart. Give it a second. Give it a second. 4-hour chart. We are here. I believe I don't have it because... Oh, I do have it. Wow. And blue goes to blue, right? Blue goes to blue. Just quickly, talking about the straddle and the Advanced News Trading Strategy. So, if blue goes to blue, so somewhere up in here, you know, this would be the new Fibonacci, and I need to readjust it to Oops. So it's the next one. Give me a second, everybody. If this is the... Alright, so it didn't hit yet. So it's the next high. The next high. I'm going to delete this one. So it was the next high. Is this a high? Yes, it is. Right. Do we have another one? No. Oh, right. Back again. GBP JPY 4-hour chart. Alright, no whiplash in here. You could most likely you couldn't straddle because there was no consolidation on the 2-hour chart. Hour, 2 hours, we can do a quick check. Apply, okay. And we can go on the 2 hours. If you're interested in the straddle and the simple news trading strategy, you know, so, well, this was the news, right? This candle. So, but the previous candle, it went out of consolidation. So, most likely no straddle for you. For us, not even the advanced news trading strategy. And the last one for today, before we finish, GBP. Oh, we have two. We have GBP NZD to check and GBP USD to check. Come on, Forex, it's not Friday yet, come on. I'm not sure again if I had the Fibonacci on GBP NZD 4-hour chart. Give it a second. It's loading, so... No fibs in here, most likely it was down, but again, no straddle, no consolidation in here, everybody. And the last one is GBP USD. Let's see if there was some GBP USD. GBP USD. Boss, where was the news announcement? The news announcement was... The news announcement, everybody, was... It was 8 AM my time, meaning it was 4 hour back. 4 hour back. So one candle back. Alright, this is different. Alright. And again, look at the whiplash. By the way, we had, again, I need to add more. We had the consolidation. Let's go to the 2 hours, apply, let's go in here, and let's go to the 2-hour chart. All right, everybody. So here we had consolidation, right? You could straddle this one, you could have. If you wanted to, if you did the homework, if you follow the steps from yesterday, you could have done something like this. This would be consolidation band of the upper band. You could have buy stop, sell stop, and on the 15-minute chart, whiplash again. Again, I'm curious how it went down first, right? It's a rare occasion to show to the student traders, the whiplash. Yeah, it went down, see? This was the consolidation on the 15-minute chart. You know, this was the market. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Took you in on the short side. You were happy. You are going to make money. Maybe you could have 1 for 1, right? Let me see graphically. Clone. Almost. Almost. Take profit. Almost. But if you would follow the rule, you would stay in, and with no prior notice, the market would reverse and stop you out on your short. got you in on the buy side, and well, compared to GBP CHF, you were winning now on the buy side, right? Okay, hopefully GBP USD is going to get up and you are going to make, you lost 1%, half percent on this trade, hopefully you are going to make back up to here, or the market is going to down back and stay in between, and or even stop you out on your buy side, buy trade. Alright everybody, hopefully you had fun today, me showing you the whiplash and talking about the advanced news trading strategy. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade the news, or don't trade the news like a boss, up to you, but at least you know how this works, everybody. Alright?